Topic is solving simultaneous equations. Two equations are given to you. What is the question? Solve 4x plus 2y equals to 10. And second equation is x plus 2y equals to 7. Now, what is the meaning of the question? Solve. Solve means you have to find the value of x and value of y. Again, what is the meaning of solve? Solve means you have to find the value of x and y, right? And you can check your answer in the end. You can verify your answer when you substitute the same values of x and y in the question. It will be satisfied. Left-hand side and right-hand side will be equal to each other. So what is the target? The target is, equation number 1 is 4x plus 2y equals to 10. Equation number 1. And equation 2 is x plus 2y equals to 7. You have to cancel 1, x or y. We can cancel y, plus 2y minus 2y can be cancelled, so that we will be remaining only with the value of x, and we can find the value of x. What is the first step? You have to cancel x or y. Y can be cancelled very easily in these two simultaneous equations. How you can cancel y? Which strategy you will apply? You have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So you can write subtract 2 from 1. You can subtract 1 from 2 also, but we are doing 2 from 1. We are subtracting 2 from 1. 4x plus 2y equals to 10. And equation 2 is x plus 2y equals to 7. We are subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So the second equation is equation number 2. You have to change the signs. Plus sign will become minus sign. This plus sign will become minus sign. And this also is a plus, so it will become minus. Right? The second equation, whatever you have written, you need to change the sign. Now, plus 2y and minus 2y can be cancelled. Right? Plus 2y minus 2y are cancelled. Now, what is remaining? 10 minus 7 is 3. 4x minus 1x is 3x. Right? 10 minus 7 is 3, and 4x minus 1x is 3x. Solving it further, you will get 3x equal to 3. So what is x? 3 by 3. 3 by 3 will give you 1. X equals to 1. You found x. Right? Now you have to find y. You can substitute x in equation 1 or equation 2 to find y. In any one of the equation, you have to substitute x. I'm taking equation number 1. Finding y. So let's take equation number 1. Finding y. Finding y. Equation number 1 is 4x plus 2y equals to 10. In equation number 1, you have to substitute the value of x. The value of x is 1. So x can be substituted here as 1. 4 multiplied by 1 plus 2y equals to 10. 4 plus 2y equals to 10. Solving it further, you will get 2y equals to 10 minus 4. 4 can be brought on this side, so it will become minus 4. 2y equals to 6. And y you can find by applying 6 by 2. So y is 3. So you have found the solution set. 1, 3 is the answer. X equals to 1 and y equal to 3. Right? And you can substitute the same x equals to 1 and y equals to 3 in the question to verify your answer or to check your answer. So let's do the same. We will substitute x equals to 1 and y equals to 3 in any one of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2, right? They are actually, we have solved simultaneously. So you can substitute to verify your answer. X equals to 1 and y equals to 3, we are substituting in equation number 1. This is called verification. We are verifying our answer. Is it correct or not? X is equal to 1 and y equals to 3. Let's substitute in equation number 1. 4x plus 2y. Right? We are substituting in the left-hand side of equation number 1 and we should get 10. 10 is the right-hand side. X equals to 1. What is the value of y? Y is 3. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. See, you're getting 10. Okay, and 10 equals to 10. 10 is the right-hand side and 10 is the left-hand side. Look at equation number 1. You have to get 10. And yes, you are getting 10. It means your answer is correct and you have verified your answer. Like this, we have to solve simultaneous equations. 2 algebraic equations are given to us and we have to solve them simultaneously. So we got x equals to 1 and y equals to 3. Try it yourself. It's very easy. Now, question number 2. You have to solve 6x minus 3y equals to 12, 4x minus 3y equals to 2. Same question, you have to solve them simultaneously. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Let's solve it. Equation 1 and equation 2. So the target is you have to cancel 1, either y or x. Y can be cancelled here very easily. Minus 3y plus 3y. You can cancel them. X is remaining and you can find the value of x. Are you understanding? Cancel either x or y. Y can be cancelled here very easily. Minus 3y and plus 3y. Plus 3y means you have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. I saw many students, they don't know whether to subtract or whether to add. So this is the key point here. You have to subtract. Okay, try to understand. You have to subtract y. So we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. How we can subtract minus 3y and plus 3y? We can cancel very easily. So same we are doing. Equation 2 is also having minus 3y. No, we have to make it plus 3y. How can we make plus 3y? Only by subtracting, not by adding. If you add, it will become minus 3y, it will become minus 6y. It's not cancelled. You have to cancel y. I hope you are understanding. So equation number 2 can be subtracted from equation number 1. So I'm writing this first step, subtract 2 from 1. When you subtract 2, all the signs are changed. Let's start. Equation 1, you're not supposed to change any sign. Equation 2, 4x minus 3y equals to 2. Now we have to change sign of equation number 2. This plus will become minus. This minus will become plus. And this plus, when no sign is there, obviously plus is there, will become minus. We are subtracting 2 from 1. Let's try to subtract. Minus 3y plus 3y are cancelled. Again, minus 3y plus 3y are cancelled. Okay, and you got x. 6x minus 4x will give you 2x. And 12 minus 2 will give you 10. Here you can find x very easily. X equals to 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. So you found the value of x, it is 5. Now you have to find the value of y by keeping x in any equation, equation 1 or equation 2. I'm taking equation 2 this time. Okay? Equation number 2 is, let's try to take equation number 2. 4x minus 3y is equal to 2. We are finding y. X has been found. So keeping the value of x is 5 minus 3y equals to 2. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 20 minus 3y equals to 2. Now 20 will come on this side. It will become 2 minus 20. What is 2 minus 20? Minus 18. Minus is there on both the sides. You can cancel minus. And you got 3y equals to 18. What is y? I'm continuing here. 3y equals to 18. What is y? Can you find y? 18 divided by 3. What is 18 divided by 3? It is 6. So in this way, you have found y. Y is equal to 6. In this way, you have done x and y. X is 5 and y is 6. So what is the answer? 5, 6. This is the solution set. You're done with it. 5, 6. X is 5, y is 6. Now verification is left. Verification means you are checking your answer. So let's check 5, 6. And how to check the answer? How to verify the answer? We will substitute 5, 6 in the question. Question has two equations. In any of the equation, you can substitute 5, 6. It will be satisfied. What is the meaning of satisfied? Left-hand side and right-hand side will be equal. This step is very important to do in examination. This step is called verification. 5, 6. Let's do it now. Verification. Five, 6. Take any one equation, equation 1 or equation 2. I'm taking equation number 1. 6x minus 3y equals to 12. You have to substitute x 5 and y 6. X 5 and y 6. 6 5s are 30 and 3 6 are 18. 30 minus 18 is 12. And 12 is the right-hand side. So the left-hand side and the right-hand side are equal. What is the meaning of this? Your answer is correct. The answer has been verified. In this way, you have to solve simultaneous equations. Okay, first you have to cancel x or y, which can be easily cancelled. You have to cancel, then find x, then find y, and then do verification. Verification means you are checking your answer, and yes, this answer is correct, 5,6. I hope, students, you are understanding. Let's do another question of simultaneous equations. Next question is, x minus 5y equals to 65, 2x minus 5y equals to 85. Equation number 1 and equation number 2, the two simultaneous equations are given to you. Let's try to solve. Equation 1 and equation 2. Check. Can you cancel y? Or x is also easy to cancel? No, y is very easy to cancel. You can cancel x also, right? How can you cancel x? By making first equation as 2x. Multiply first equation by 2. 2x minus 2x you can cancel. But y is very easy to cancel in this question, right? Minus 5y plus 5y can be cancelled. So let's start working on it. X minus 5y equals to 65. 2x minus 5y equals to 85. Subtract. You are subtracting 2 from 1. 2 from 1. You can subtract 1 from 2 also. In that way also minus 5y plus 5y can be cancelled. So let's subtract 2 from 1. The equation which is written next, the signs are changed. So plus will become minus. This minus will become plus. And this plus will become minus. When no sign is there, it's a plus 55. It will become minus. So now it is seen very easily that how plus 5y and minus 5y and plus 5y can be cancelled, right? And then this is 1x minus 2x. How to solve? You will get minus x. Sign of the bigger integer is there in the answer. It's minus. 2 is bigger. 2 has a negative sign, so minus x. 1x minus 2x will be minus 1x. You can write 1 or you can ignore 1 also. 5y minus 5y is 0. And what are you getting here? Plus 65 minus 85. Okay, you have to solve it. Plus 65 and minus 85. Minus 85 and plus 65. You can solve. This is 0 and this is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2, but the sign will be minus. Because sign of the bigger integer should come in the answer, and bigger integer is 85. 85 has a negative sign, so this is minus 20. Minus 20 should be there, right? Now, solving it further. Minus and minus can be cancelled from both the sides. So x equals to 20. You got x. X equals to 20. Now you have to solve y. By keeping x, by substituting x in any of the equation. I'm taking equation number 1. Find y. Let's take equation number 1, x minus 5y equals to 65. You have to substitute x equals to 20 minus 5y equals to 65. Solving it further, we are finding y. Minus 5y will remain on this side and 20 will go on another side. So 20 will become minus 20. Right? Next step is minus 5y equals to what? 5 minus 0 is 5 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Next, y is equal to 45 divided by minus 5. 5 nines are 45. So y is equal to minus 9. In this way, you have found y. Y equals to minus 9 and x equals to 20. This is the solution set. 20, comma, minus 9. I'm writing it here. 20, comma, minus 9. This is the solution set. X equals to 20 and y equals to minus 9. Now let's verify our answer. Let's check our answer is correct or not. 20, comma, minus 9. This is the solution set. 20, comma, minus 9. X equals to 20 and y is equal to minus 9 or negative 9. Let's verify this. So we are doing verification. You can verify from equation 1 or from equation 2, it's up to you. So let's take equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 2x minus 5y equals to 85. Let's substitute x 20 and y minus 9. X 20 and y is equal to minus 9. 2 multiplied by 20 will give you 40. Minus into minus is plus, and 5 nines are 45. 40 plus 45 will give you 85, which is 100% correct. This is 85. 40 plus 45 will give you 85. So the answer is verified. You verified your answer. You checked your answer yourself. Right? So in this way, you have to solve simultaneous equations. And don't forget to verify your answer in the end so that your teacher can also see that you found the answer and after that you verified your answer. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. This is a must question, right? Whether grade 8 or grade 9 or grade 10, this question is a must. One question should come of this kind, solving simultaneous equations. Thank you so much for attending this session.